We spotted a group of footballers in the wild, but with so many to wrangle, there was only one thing we could do. Not just send one reporter, we sent 3. And I hope these men and women are ready after their little kick around is finished, because this group of total football journalists aren't here to mess around. I think Sylvia even has a notepad.
So, can you explain to me how you felt when you got your first cap for Ireland?
It's an unbelievable feeling. You grow up as a kid wanting to play for Ireland, and when it actually comes, it's a dream come true.
What do you think personally is the worst stereotype that comes to women with football?
Probably just that people don't think that women can play football.
I would probably just say the stereotype of obviously comparing to the men's game.
How many days a week do you train?
We train 4 days a week.
Fact check.
Nope, that's a lie. We train 5 days a week.
Have you got a routine or superstition before a match that you do?
I always step out first with my left foot onto the pitch for some reason. I don't know why, and I don't know where it started, but I always do it for some reason.
What's the best concert you've ever been to?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift this summer. Oh, Taylor Swift.
Who's the funniest teammate on your team?
I'm gonna say Grace Maloney.
Rusha Littlejohn. She's absolutely cracked.
And who's always in trouble?
Probably Rusha again.
What is your spirit animal?
A tiger.
A dolphin?
What's a favourable or funny moment you've had?
There was one in training today. The manager slipped over in training today. I don't know if I'm going to say that, but it was a funny moment.
Good job, gang. Those athletes have been officially grilled.